My words to you as a Chavua, I don't know if we'll learn together before Purim or before Pesach. I want you to know that you belong to a group of individuals here, led by a Talmid Chacham, one of the most excellent Talmidei Chachamim in the world. Rabbi Dweck, he should live and be well. HaKadosh Baruch Hu should protect him and guard him, both physically and spiritually. And those who stand with him, if it's Sina, and if it's Avi, and if it's all the other founders of the Chavua, if it's our moderators, Ohad and Mord, and everyone else who's allowed me, and if it's all of you, the members who learn here, to realize that you're not just learning about Torah here. Don't underestimate what you're doing to the Jewish community right now. You are making ripple waves through the whole Jewish world. Look, all of the people that the rabbi said we couldn't trust, look at them 3 nights a week, 4 nights a week, sitting down with sources in Hebrew, learning, writing notes, asking questions, involved in Limud Torah. What you are doing is changing this conversation. And you are showing, hopefully, all of Chachmei Israel, you can trust us. We want to hear the truth. We want to learn more. And B'ezrat Hashem, I bless you all, that you should continue learning Torah together in health and happiness, and the Chavua should grow Michael El Chayil from strength to strength. And I look forward to being here back with you again, B'ezrat Hashem, very soon. Thank you so much for learning with me.